We are in Istanbul at the International Insurance Forum, dedicated this year to motor insurance. But now, in this morning, we are discussing about Azerbaijan insurance market. What can you tell us about the evolution of the market in the last years and about the potential and perspectives for the next years?
This year, our market in Azerbaijan is developed nearly 65%. It's a very, very big percent for us. And we're seeing that most part of the development is close to the motor insurance. As you see, development, there are two sides. As minuses and the pluses also. The pluses is that the most people now is insured their motors, their ability and other things. But the minuses is we're seeing that the people didn't have promoted about insurance yet enough. And we are thinking to inform them about insurance, about accidents, about how they can use insurance products also, not only motor ones, they can use also health products, life or non-life insurance products also. And we are just planning to do more seminars about according to this problem and promoting companies, I don't know, advertisings, everything in its way. And I think that in years 2 or 3 we can just having such steps, we can develop our market more and more.
What are the most developed line of business in insurance market in Azerbaijan?
It's motor insurance, and it's the most developed one. It's a motor insurance because everybody, most of the people have the motors, vehicles, and they're interested of their insurance.
I know that in Azerbaijan there are some lines of business, types of insurance that are mandatory. What can you tell us about this? What are the...
Mandatory insurance?
Yeah.
For example, we have compulsory motor liability insurance.
Yes.
Also, we have... we are planning to do some other insurance products also. In this forum, we're planning to discuss TARSIM, Turkish system of insurance in the agricultural sector, and we're planning to discuss also medical insurance.
Yes.
As you know, medical insurance isn't so developed in our country, and I think that it's time to start to do something for developing this side. And also we're planning to develop our IT, communications and technologies in the sector of insurance, because it's also time to sell products from internet in their soft version.
Yes. But coming back to motor insurance, what can you tell us about the problems that the companies that are active on this line of business are affected by?
The first problem, as I say, in insurance sector in Azerbaijan, as I said before, it's less information. The people isn't informed about insurance. It's not only our problem, it's the problem of the world.
Yes.
When they are going to buy something, they didn't, for example, if they are taking car to the credit, they didn't listen to anybody about insurance. They just signed, taking their car keys and going to drive. And they didn't know what an insurance, when the claims happened, what to do. And then we get a lot of problems. And the main thing what we have to do to inform them. The other problem is that, as I said, the development of the market is mostly going from insurance sector, is according to the motor insurance. And the accidents and the claims are very high. The amount of them, and we are planning to make some coordinated things to handle the claims. It's also a problem because the people are calling that they have claims, and the company, which companies didn't have enough workers in the claim sectors, they can't go and see, and it became a problem for us also. Another problem, what we have to say is that we have a systematic problem. Because you have to get some declarations, I don't know, something papers to give to the company to get your payment. We are planning to do it in online version. It will be much more easier to get their payments. I think the most problems in our sector there are.
Okay, but as we heard in the first presentation from this conference, in many countries in Central and Eastern Europe and in Turkey and in CIS, one problem is related to bodily injury claims. Is this a problem for the Azer market?
Nowadays, also we get a problem like this, but it's not in the first place.
Yeah.
We have several another problems, much more problematic for us. But as you say, yes, as in Europe, also in our country, this is also a problem.
Probably it will become more accurate in the future years.
Yeah.
Yeah. I think this is one of your first interviews as president of the Azzurri Insurance Association.
Yes.
What can you tell us about your objectives? How do you intend to promote the Azzurri Insurance market? Yeah, your strategy.
Our strategy is, we divided our strategy in several parts. First of all, we were discussed together with our members, with our staff, and we decided to work hard in international sector, in international relationships. As you know, we need your help also. The second part, our divided part, is promotion.
Yes.
Promoting to give more information to the insured people. The third one, we are planning to do training seminars for insurers, for their staff.
Yeah.
And the first one, we're planning to make such a forums, such a days in Baden-Baden.
Yeah.
Step by step,
yeah.
I think in 2 or 3 years, the market of Azerbaijan will be in another place.
Yeah, okay. What are the advantages of Azzurri Insurance market for a foreign company that wants to invest there?
The most the pluses of the foreign company, the market is growing very, very fast. It's nearly more than 16% per week.
Yeah.
And this year we are waiting nearly 45% of the growth. Nearly, I can't say exactly. 35 and 45 among them.
It's a huge...
It's a huge, yes, of course, it's a huge amount of development. And I think that they can invest in reinsurance markets, they can invest also in insurance broker market, because the broker market is not much high developed in our country. I think that in a few years, when the people became more informed about insurance sector, they will buy their products through brokers.
Okay, and I know that in June, late June, it will be a third edition of the Azzurri Insurance Forum.
Yeah.
What can you tell us about this event? What are the news that this edition will bring?
This year we are planning to make also in June the third, as I know, insurance forum in Azerbaijan, and this year we'll discuss, as I said, medical insurance.
Yes.
It's very important for us. We'll agricultural insurance. It's a TARSIM system. Also, we can discuss Russian system. We're planning to discuss IT technologies in insurance sector, and we can discuss other experience in obligatory insurance.
Okay.
And this our aspects, what we have to discuss in this year.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thanks
and hope
also.
to see you in Baku.